Welcome to this month's real estate market report in the Cleveland metro area. I wanted to do a couple plugs here. ClevelandIncomeRealEstate.com is a very good website for you to get a lot of information on investing, selling your home. If you go down to recent posts here, it's a daily post I do. I write about a lot of stuff, and you can get a lot of information here. If you want to learn, or if you want to buy, or you want to check me out, ClevelandIncomeRealEstate.com. Or you can go to Brett's Realty Group. I have over 3,000 videos in this, and there's a lot of information for you there. So just enjoy that, like it, and please subscribe to it. So let's get into this month's real estate marketing report. I'm a little late because I went out of town for a little bit, but let's look at the new listings at 748 new listings, as you can see right here. And then under contract, no showings, and sold. Basically, these properties went off the market with 2,359. So we're back to about a 3-to-1 margin on what's coming on the market to what's going off. 3's going off, 1's coming on. So it's a very healthy market in the Cleveland metro area. But again, let's look at the pricing. So the original, this is Lake County and Cuyahoga County. I kind of put them together because that's where we buy. So these are the medium priced, and this is the sell medium price. So as you can see, it's really went up almost every month. This one it did, and this one it did, and this one it did. So that's a good sign that we're still holding our values and everything is good there. So let's look at the listing price to selling price trend. Let me see here. So there you go. From 2020 July to November 2020, excluding these very minor ones in 21, we've been at 100% list price to sell price, meaning that when they put a house up for sale for a certain price, it will sell for that. And I've just had two. I closed last week. One was over, or sales price, was just a little bit over, and I just put one under contract that was over sales price. So very, very good. It's a very good thing. But let's look at the inventory trend, because again, people are saying, hey, there's too much inventory coming on the market. That's going to create a crash. So let's go. Let's see what's this is for December. So let's see what the latest we have here. We have December of 2017, which was really a good market. We had 6,856. We had 6,856 listings. Let's fast forward to this market. We have 4,772 listings. It's actually went down a bit. So it was 4,808. It held for a couple months, and then 4,772. So it's a very, very good market. We still have low inventory. We need 6,500 homes for a very good market. So listen, if you're wanting to buy a house, sell a house, whatever you want to do, call me. I have a flat fee listing. Here's one that we just sold in 6 days. The market's solid here. We have we purchase, we rehab, we lease, and my wife's a broker. She has Avalon Realty Group, and we have our own property management, which has been very, very successful for us and our clients. More importantly, call me 216-703-5702, 216-703-5702. You can go to listing your home on MLS.com also. Thanks. Have a great day.